Hi, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today I have a very special guest with me. This is Benjamin. He's my oldest grandson. He's going to help me make Dalgona Coffee, which has blown up on the internet right now. And it's special coffee from Korea, and it's delicious. We ready to get started? There's only 3 ingredients. We start with instant coffee. Can you put the instant coffee into the bowl? Ooh. Nice. And then the same amount of sugar. So we did 1/3 of a cup of instant coffee. You're gonna do it with your eyes closed? Wow. And then we're gonna measure, I'm gonna do this part because it's boiling hot water. We're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of hot water. I'll put the recipe below in my description. And then we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna get it started and then you can help, okay? Now you can do this by hand, but this is way quicker. Okay, so can you put some ice in each cup? And then I'm gonna help you with the milk. So 2 people want almond milk and 2 people want cow milk. Regular milk. Now you can start by scooping and adding a scoop to each one. Do you know how to use that? Good job. Whoa, nice work. Okay, so this is actually quite strong. So if you don't like strong coffee, this might not be for you, but it's pretty delicious. Thank you for watching Tinagirl Life. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to subscribe and like so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos.
Let me try some. Yeah.
You don't like it?
No.